Ano, ginuo ko ano pala to. Si Saski, ay, nabasa ko na. Marilyn Pell, Tamsakdan, Miguel of shout out. Askid ba admin team support Aramia, Miguel of shout out. Sis Mom Reverse, Miguel of shout out. Husky Edna support Sis Reverse, Miguel of shout out. Tapos sabi naman ni Zamelan Admin TV Support, good afternoon Sis Reverse, sabi ni Sis Jamelan. Oo, kasi nakamute pala kanina kaya binalik ko yung binaba ko yung inakyat ko yung pagbasa ko. Husky Edna Admin Team Support, Sis Marilyn, Miguel of shout out. Husky Edna Admin Team Support, Marilyn, Miguel of shout out from ay sabi ni Marilyn Pell, Miguel of shout out, Husky Edna. Oh, Zamelan TV Admin Team Support, Miguel of shout out, Sis Marilyn Pell, good morning. O, tingnan mo 44 tamsak na, tapos kanina 41 lang kanina, tapos hindi ko pa nabasahin, babasahin ko na talaga. As in, morning men, Marina, at sa lahat, sabi ni Marilyn Pell, Miguel of shout out men, Jamelan TV, Aramia, Stephanie Ned, one smile, makes thousands of love. Oh yeah, diba? Totoo talaga yun. One smile makes thousands of love. Oh, diba? O, totoo talaga yan, kasi Totoo talaga yan kasi isang ngiti lang guys, marami nang magagawang pag-ibig yan. Isang ngiti lang talaga, marami nang magagawang pag-ibig yan. Kaya ngingiti lang lagi para may forever tayo. O ganun talaga yun. Ganun talaga yun, para may forever ang ating ilong na sobrang kate. Oo. O Stephanie Nad, still her guwapa work mood na ako. Silip-silip lang, o lala. O thank you so much si Stephanie Nad sa panonood kahit na busy ka talaga. Even if you're so very busy but nanonood ka pa rin sa akin. Thank you so much sa pagbabad. Hello there friends, happy Tuesday, sabi ni Stephanie Nads. Oh, askin na admin team support, askin na admin team support. I like mga heart, mga flower. I like so much. Marilyn Pell, tamsak men. Ermina Marilyn Pell, good morning at thank you. Bibilisan ko na talaga to kasi 20 minutes na, hala, ginoo ko, Diyos ko, 40 minutes na pala ako dito. Stephanie Nads, thank you always. Antayin ko na lang kaya yung bukas ng tindahan doon. Ano na lang, 35, 45, 55 o 25 minutes na lang. O, antayin ko na lang kaya. Papatayin ko muna to, baka medyo okay na yung ano. O, Sisi, sabi ko pala kanina, Stephanie Naz, thank you all. Hala, kanina pa pala to. Marilyn Pell, BG lang, sabi ni, Sisi Haskin na may galap sa ang kati ng ilong ko talaga, grabe, ano pa to nangyari. Marilyn Pell, BG lang, Ermina, okay, siguro yung sakit ko talaga ilong, no? Ano ba yan? Nang ano naman ako ng Junsun Buds, ano nangyari? Oo. Lena Goet, tamsak. Lena Goet, good morning, Lena Goet. Always her love support from the very supportive Husky na admin team support. Lena Goet, always her love support from the very supportive Husky na admin team support. Oh, kayo. Good morning kayo. Hala, kanina pa no. Jolly Hoggers team, tamsak po. Thank you so much. And good morning, Jolly Hoggers team, Jolly Hoggers. Thank you so much always, Jolly Hoggers, for always coming inside my cellphone, inside my cellphone talaga. Miguel, shout out everyone. Sabi ni Jolly Hoggers, team Jolly Hoggers. Thank you so much always, team Jolly Hoggers. Tamsak po, Rice Lois, President, and good morning everyone. Sabi ni Rice Lois. Thank you so much. I like so much talaga yung mga part heart, mga pabulak-bulak, mga flower. I like so much talaga. Thank you so much, Jolly Hoggers, team Jolly Hoggers, team Jolly Hoggers. Para naman ako nagbabasa na naman para naman ako sumasakay ng sasakyan na may hams. I wanna hams, ganun. Jolly Hoggers team, Jolly Hoggers.